Welcome to MS Access Queries Basic Course. I am Roland Bagao and I would be giving you a brief introduction about myself and MS Access. Currently, I work for a corporation in the insurance industry and have been using Access since 1997, when I was still working for a corporation in the appliance industry. Back then, the latest version was still MS Access 97. It was some sort of necessity which led me to discover MS Access. During that time, I was responsible for providing nationwide data sales analysis to the Vice President for Marketing. Our department were regularly provided every month by the IT department with DBase files containing nationwide sales data that we printed through DBase softwares. From those printouts coming from our DBase files through the DBase software, we manually obtained the information needed by doing manual calculations. It was a very tedious job and it entailed a great amount of time and is not efficient and cannot cope up with the demand for sales information needed by those responsible for generating the sales, planning promotions, and evaluation of collections. I needed to do something in order to make the process more efficient and be able to provide information faster. I became curious and have noted that in the MS Office installation, we have the program MS Access that no one in our department is using. That's how I discovered Access. I immediately bought a book titled MS Access 97 Step by Step, which became my first Access book, which taught me about MS Access, especially its querying capabilities. After that, I was able to provide data analysis in just minutes of what used to take me hours or even more than a day. What I did was to convert the DBase files into MS Access tables and use the Query Design View window of Access to create and edit queries before I run them to obtain the data that I need and print them using MS Access reports, which we will cover in detail in the advanced tutorials. With your imagination and creativity, there's nothing that can stop you from delivering greater value and increasing your efficiency and productivity by becoming an expert in Access. Here are examples of what I have provided for the appliance industry I've worked in the past using MS Access. Total sales per dealer per month, per year, or whatever time period you specify in your query. Discounts to be given to each dealer based on promo and volume of sales. Total sales per amount, per volume on each appliance model, and much more. I could also provide this information using manual calculations from printouts. However, the difference is that when I use Access, I can provide them in minutes. So everyone, especially office workers like us, should learn MS Access to provide more value to the business we are working for. If you wanna join this course, here are the course requirements. You need an MS Access application in your computer, at least MS 2003 or higher version, a basic knowledge of databases, and a copy of the practice.mdb file, which you can download at the URL shown here, or you can go to msaccessqueries.com and register as a Query Basics level member. With that membership level, you can download practice.mdb file.